Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Plan With Me. This week we are going to be using the kit called Sushi Date. I will have it linked below if you are interested in purchasing this kit for your weekly spread. Oh, and if you're wondering how does this Sushi Date themed kit fit into this week or this Plan With Me, it really doesn't. I ended up just picking this one because I needed a kit to fill for this week, and I thought, why not do this one? And I really love sushi, so I thought this was a good option for this week. And today's upload is going to be a little bit of a late one. Hopefully I'll still be able to get this one up today. And I have just finished all of my Thanksgivings for this year. I actually had to go to 3 different Thanksgivings, and they were all in completely different places. So I have definitely been doing a lot of traveling these last few days, and I'm finally back home, and I am absolutely so glad to finally get a break. I've never gone to this many Thanksgivings before in one year, but overall it was a really good time. I ended up having one on Sunday, one on Thursday, and one on Saturday. The first one was the Thanksgiving for my dad's side of the family. Then the one on Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, was actually my boyfriend's family's Thanksgiving. And then the one that we went to today was my brother's Thanksgiving. He and his wife just purchased a new house this year, and they wanted to host their very first Thanksgiving, and that was the last one that I went to today. All of the Thanksgivings were really lovely, and I do have to say though, I think I may have had my fill of Thanksgiving food. Back in the day when I was a kid, I used to not really care that much for Thanksgiving food, like traditional sides and stuff, but as I've grown up and my palate has adapted, I definitely really look forward to Thanksgiving these years. So between all 3 of my Thanksgivings, I think all together combined was like 12 hours round trip of driving. So I am definitely exhausted, but I'm really excited to have one day off tomorrow and just kind of relax and try to get everything resituated for the upcoming week. Just start it all over again. I really feel like this time of year, it just absolutely blows my mind at how quickly time passes. I feel like November just started like 2 days ago, and tomorrow is going to be December. I just cannot believe it. I'm absolutely astounded at just how fast time seems to pass right now. So I'm definitely looking forward to the Christmas time though. I really do love like the holiday of Christmas and like just the feeling of it and the planning and all that kind of stuff. So I'm definitely looking forward to that coming up. I have my Christmas tree out now. I still need to decorate it though, but I have a lot of really fun things to look forward to over the next few weeks. But as always, this time of year always tends to bring out the reflectiveness and the introspectiveness of just, looking at what you are grateful for. And I definitely have so many things to be grateful for. And I think that that is something that is really easy to lose sight of at times whenever something goes wrong. Just like a couple weeks ago, I had some issues with like my car, and then I had some unfortunate things that happened, like one of my back windows got shattered, and it was just like all of this stuff coming down on me on one day, and I just really was feeling very in my feelings on that day. But now that I'm a few weeks past that, it is nice to look back on that and even laugh at some things now, but also just to put into perspective how small and how minor certain things can be in life, even though they feel like an absolute mountain while you're going through it. And then when you're on the other side of it, it can look like an absolute molehill. And another thing I've really kind of started to grasp over probably the last, I will say, 10 years or so, is I really value family. I mean, I've always valued family, but I just truly value family so much more as I have gotten older in life, and my friend group has shrunk over the years, and at the end of the day, I always have my family, and I am absolutely so grateful for that, because I know that there are so many people that are not as fortunate to either have their family members with them anymore, or maybe they don't have a great relationship with their family members. And that is one thing that no matter how down I am feeling on a particular day or at a particular time, I try to never lose sight of how much I value my family and how grateful I am to have them. And so no matter how many times that life feels like it's really beating down on me, I definitely try to look to the positives of things. I've got a car that is running, I've got a job, and I've got all my passions that I love. I have my YouTube channel, I have my businesses, planner sticker business, my soap business, my in-person soap business, my YouTube channel, anything and everything. All of those things are what keep me motivated and keep me grateful. And another thing that has really been on my mind lately is just how much I am enjoying my YouTube channel right now. It has been about a year and a half of a really hard, dedicated type of stance I have taken on my YouTube channel with trying to be as consistent as I can and trying to be really good at communicating back with everyone that comments on my videos. Obviously, I do miss some here or there, but I really do try my best to respond to any comments I can or to help you guys out if you have questions on either a product I'm recommending or anything that I might be covering in my videos. I have just noticed that it has been a very long going process with having my YouTube channel for since 2011 at this point. So very, very long time. And for the first time ever, I had not a truly viral video by any means, but in my mind, the size of my channel is such a small channel, but I had one video this year that really took off, and that was a very unexpected video for me, which was the Wicked Advent Calendar that I reviewed, and that video has just skyrocketed. At this point, it is sitting at about 24,000 views on my channel, and I definitely have some videos that are way more views than that, but I have never gotten that many views in such a short amount of time. I think I posted that one around the end of October, and it already has 24,000 views, and it's still going, and I am just absolutely mind blown at how many people have found my channel. There's so many videos that I make that I think, oh, this is going to be the video that really pops off or really takes off in the algorithm, but those never end up being the videos that do. But somehow this one did, and I just want to say thank you to anyone who has found my channel from that video. I know that it was a little bit of a different type of video than what I typically make on my channel, but I had a blast making that advent calendar video, and I look forward to doing more things like that in the future. You guys know that I do like to experiment a bit with my content on my channel, and some people say that that's actually not a good strategy to employ, but honestly, I just like making videos, and sometimes I like doing things that are in different niches. Like the last couple years, I've been doing a lot of book reviews on the Nancy Drew books and really enjoying that. I've been doing a few cooking videos here and there, and of course, bringing back my planner series that you guys are watching right now. But something I look forward to in the future is possibly bringing some type of gaming content to my channel as well. Now, don't let me lose you there, because it's not going to be streamer quality, gaming, but very, very small doses of certain possibly Nancy Drew games. I am a big fan of those, and I would love to kind of figure out all the kinks to how to make that happen on my channel, because that is definitely something I'm looking forward to work on, creating more content like that to mix into my channel, because even though my channel started as a beauty makeup related channel, it's only one facet of my personality, and there's just so many more things that I'm interested in, like soap making, makeup, reading, you name it. There's so many things that I like to do, and I just love sharing those with all the people that love watching my videos. And of course, not everything is for everyone, but hopefully there is something for someone on my channel. And that was one thing that I am really looking forward to for this upcoming year. And just something that I was very grateful for this year was really dedicating myself to my YouTube and seeing it grow at still a small type of scale, but growth nonetheless. And I'm very grateful for that. And I just really appreciate anyone that does like to listen to these kind of rambly videos with me me just placing stickers in my planner. And there's really honestly probably about a handful of people that enjoy this content, but just know that I really appreciate you. If you are watching this right now, you are definitely one of the true subscribers that like to watch my videos and just hear me ramble about whatever I feel like talking about in the moment. So I'm just very grateful for you, whether you leave a comment or not, whether you like videos or not. The fact that you're watching them is a really big deal to me, and I really greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.